Okay, so here we're recording our first period 3 video, and this is pre-cal. You're going to title your notes over here, and the thing we're working on today, folks, is composition. And composition is when you're putting something inside of another function, and today's date is 11/27 of the year 2012, and again, we're working on composition, so that's putting one function inside of another function. And we're going to start off with an example here. Example 1. And for example 1, I'm going to give you two functions. I'm going to ask you to compose them together. So I'm going to say f of x, and we're going to say equals the square root of x plus 2. Okay? And g of x equals, we're going to say, let's just do x plus 5. We'll start off very simple, okay? So what I want you to first do is we are going to find f of g of x, okay? Now when you see this notation, what this basically means is it means this here. It means you're putting g inside of f. Okay, so when you see this, you need to know it means put g inside of f. Okay, this is what it means. So we're going to practice doing this. So I'm going to do this in very easy steps. Now some of you might automatically just know what to do. Okay, some of us get confused. So I'm going to do this in steps. Okay, step 1. Write the outside function. Absolutely. So write the outside function. So if you look at this case, which is my most outside function here? It's going to be f. So what is f of x equal to? F of x is the square root of x plus 2. So I'm going to write this down as the square root of x plus 2. And now what you're going to do is you are going to rewrite this, but instead of putting an x, you're going to just leave it blank. Okay? So you're going to write this again, only you're going to leave it blank now. And what goes in the blank is g. You're going to put g inside. And what is g? G is what? Plus 5. So we're going to put x plus 5 in here. Okay? And when you're done, you do not call this f of x. You call this now what? F of g of x. Or you could call it f of g of x in this way. They both mean the same thing. Okay? And we are done here. We've answered the question. Okay? Cool.
Now we're going to